Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, I'm back with another Stock Talk video. And for today's Stock Talk video, we're going to be talking about Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. Guys, if you're new here and enjoy my content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And as well as click the links down below to join my Discord server and follow me on my TikTok. Again, those links will be down in the description below. We are going to be talking about Nvidia, the monster of a stock that it is. Just announced big news that they will be doing a 4-for-1 stock split. I am in love with this company. I've been a shareholder for a very long time now. We're going to discuss what this 4-for-1 stock split is going to do to Nvidia, what this means for you as a shareholder or a potential shareholder, and what this means for the future of Nvidia. We're going to dive deep into when you need to own these shares before the stock splits to qualify for the stock split. But let's start it off with where this stock started. Back in March of 2020, when the COVID crash happened, this stock was trading previously before the COVID crash anywhere between $250 to $300, was really ramping up, doing well. COVID crash happened and dropped all the way down to $180, okay? Bounced from $180, and if you bought it basically anytime from April 1st, 2020 up until basically September of 2020, you would have made a profit. This stock was non-stop moving in an upward direction following this blue SMA line the whole entire time throughout all of spring, all of summer, and into early fall. This is a strong move by Nvidia, and it was a COVID winner for sure. Then into fall, it kind of stabled out and in this area around $500 to $550 before taking off again and breaking through that $600 level. Now, the recent pullback in a bunch of tech stocks happened in March of this year, and it pulled us back all the way down to $475 area before quickly bouncing back and giving us a huge run up to all-time highs of $648. This was a great buying opportunity if you really got in below 500 here, by the way. But anyway, we pulled back through our red SMA line here and are testing it, bounced off, and now we are currently trading back at that $600 area, which is close to a resistance line. But if we do look at how it traded because of the announcement, you can see that it popped up. Obviously, anytime a stock is announced that they're going to be the stock split, the stock will pop off news. Jumped from $590 all the way up to $610 within 5 minutes. But because tech overall wasn't too well today, it was pretty flat, the stock itself pulled back and really didn't do much today, which I was kind of surprised at, but overall the market was a little and the tech sector wasn't doing too well either. So Nvidia is basically an American technology company that designs graphics processing units for the gaming and professional markets. It also works with chip units for mobile computing and automotive market. And there's also a lot of talk of them doing artificial intelligence, which is huge for them as well. If you're into PCs or know anything about PC builds, Nvidia is one of the top brands. So they are a computer systems design company that is very strong and in a very strong sector that is supposed to do very well in the future. Okay, so what is happening with the stock split? Well, Nvidia's shareholders are slated to vote on the increase in authorized shares at the company's annual meeting on June 3rd. If this is approved, shareholders of record on June 21st will receive 3 additional shares on July 19th for each share held, with post-split trading to begin on July 20th, the company said. So if you want to get on this Nvidia action and get on for the 4-for-1 stock split, you have to be a shareholder of record on June 21st. And if you're not too familiar with what a stock split is or just kind of want some basic knowledge, think of it this way. Right now, Nvidia is trading at $600. Let's make it even. $600 is what it's trading at. If it does a 4-for-1 stock split, it's going to roughly trade at $150 after the stock splits. It will take the $600 and divide it by 4. So if you own 1 share before June 19th, you will then own 4 shares at $150 after that stock splits. Now, if you don't know too much about stock splits, don't think that this is a huge discount. The stock doesn't change its value, okay? The value is still the same, whether it's at $600 or $150. So 1 share now at $600 is the same as getting 4 shares at $150. The value doesn't change, but it's just cheaper for those who are just trying to get 1 share at $150. And that's basically how a stock split kind of works. So if you're not too familiar with Nvidia, some of its competitors are AMD, Intel, and Broadcom. And as of right now, if we look back to about May 5th, we had a bunch of price target upgrades and outperform rating with price targets around $800 for the stock. Now, based on the way that this stock trades, how it's expected to do in the future, and the overall sector that it's in, I see this as being a very good long-term investment. Now, obviously, we can't take the past into too much consideration, but if you take over the past 5 years and you look at where we started and where we're trading now, obviously, there's been some dips along the way and some consolidation points where we didn't do a whole lot, but for the most part, this is a very strong overall stock that is doing well with the up-and-coming new technology that we are evolving as humans. So if you're really trying to diversify your portfolio and get into more tech-heavy type stocks, Nvidia is definitely one to look into. Now, I can almost guarantee graphics processing units and chip units are going to be needed in the future. And a stock like this, yes, it's very expensive at $600 per share to the beginner investor, or heck, even to the average investor. But if you want to get into a tech-heavy stock with a long-term growth outlook, Nvidia is definitely one of my top choices, and I see this as being a long-term winner. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. Leave a like if you did and subscribe for more content, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.